Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
With conditional formatting, you set up criteria for cells that change the appearance of the cell depending on whether or not the cell's value meets a specified criteria. For example, if you wanted to have a cell appear with a red fill color only if it contained a negative number, you could do that with conditional formatting. Conditional formatting can be applied to all cells, but can be especially helpful in formula cells as a visual indicator of the value, which may change based on new data. To apply conditional formatting, first select the cell or cell range to which you wish to apply the conditional formatting. Then select Format from the menu bar and choose the Conditional Formatting command. This will display the conditional formatting dialog box. In this dialog box, you may set up to 3 criteria to evaluate per cell. You have 2 options for the type of criteria that you can set. In the Criteria section, you can select either Cell Value Is, which sets up a criteria based on the cell's actual value, or Formula Is, which allows you to enter a logical formula to evaluate. If you choose Cell Value Is, then you must pick a comparison operator in the second box and fill in the criteria's value in the text box or boxes that follow. If you pick Formula Is, then you must type in a logical formula into the following text box that equates to a logical value, for 1 being true or 0 being false. And then you have to set the formatting for the true condition. Now once you've established whatever criteria you would want, let's say cell value is greater than, and then in the last box let's just type 10. Once you've set your condition, down below they have a preview of the format to use when that condition is true, and it tells us there's no format set. So we click the Format button to bring up a modified version of the Format Cells dialog box. We can then change anything like the font, the border, or the patterns, and click OK. To add another criteria, click the Add button at the bottom. You may have up to 3 criteria on a single cell or cell range. The process for setting each one is the same. When you're ready to apply your conditional formatting, click OK. And then as the information's added in, you'll see it adjusting. Now to remove the actual formatting, select the cells to which you applied the conditional formatting, and then go to Format from the menu bar and choose Conditional Formatting. To remove a criteria, you may click the Delete button at the bottom of the Conditional Formatting dialog box and choose which conditions to delete. Click OK, and then click OK again. And in this case, we've removed every condition or all formatting.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.